Alrighty, and welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. Let's go, guys. Today is the last day before the first day. The last day before the first day of the year for 2025. The first day of the year where you and me and you and you and you and you and all you, every single one of you guys has the chance to make a lot of money in crypto. A lot of money in crypto. I'm very excited for this upcoming year. And I think you guys should be pretty excited as well. Today, I want to talk about why. I got a couple breaking stories for you. I'm going to talk about crypto.com going into 2025. I just been ending my streams with some Crow content for the Crow fam lately. But in this video, you know, it's not just about one chain in particular. It is about the entirety of this bull market, my friends. So today we are going to hang out here for a nice hour-long live stream as we are going into one of the biggest bull markets we've ever seen in the history of the asset class, guys. I'm so excited about it. There is a lot to be excited about. Welcome back. Smash a like. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Let's jump right into the chart because everybody's saying, Kip, the chart is wild. Are you seeing this? Let's take a peek at the charts, see what is going on. First off, total market cap. Man, it was up. It was up. Now it's dumping. What do we got going on for Bitcoin? Yeah, look at that. Ooh, what games. Oh, what games we have here. A lot of people trying to make trades going into the new year. Oh, we were pumping this morning, and now we are stumbling back down. I was telling you guys we'd see some resistance at 95K. Resistance indeed. I said resistance at 95K, resistance at 100K. Congratulations to those of you guys that were paying attention. Resistance at 95K was achieved. It went up to 95.3. But now it is probably going to try to find support, hopefully at 92.9. If it doesn't find support at like 92, why am I saying 92? What the? Where are you getting these? You're pulling these levels out of nowhere, Kip. You're pulling them out of nowhere. No, I'm not. $93, more so, perhaps. Boom. Yeah, so we already tapped down to it. So maybe we come back up here. Maybe we don't. I still think there's a world where we are pouring back down to 85K, guys. There's a world where that happens. There's a world where it don't. I was looking at this now, and now the weekly candle is red. This is what I was looking at. It is red, okay? Very interesting. There are still 5 days and 7 hours left in this weekly candle. We have been above our 2021 highs for now 1, 2, 3 weekly green candles, and now we have a 4th weekly red candle. I've been saying how I want a daily candle close off the $3 trillion level for a bounce so we can get the Nike swoosh pattern that I've been talking about. And as I was looking at this today, I was saying, you know, hey, maybe, just maybe, I was willing to concede and say, okay, well, this weekly candle had a nice strong wick. It was a big candle. It had a nice strong wick. We had 3 weekly red candles down. This one was green. Maybe we're rebounding. But now it's red again. I still would feel good if we saw something, a weekly candle close here, bounce. I mean, I'd feel good about that, to be honest with you guys. And maybe the weekly candle closes off of 2.84, to be honest with you, right? Because that's the weekly close. Maybe it closes off the wick. This is something to keep in mind, guys. This is the most important part about whatever your favorite altcoin is, guys. Whatever your favorite altcoin is. Crypto Keeper says, just like yesterday morning, yes, there's a lot of volatility, a lot of crazy activities going on right now. So just please be careful, my friends. Please be careful. Shout out to everybody in the chat, by the way. Shout out to Marty in the chat. Shout out to Chris in the chat. Shout out to Jose and Diana Hart. I know you. All the love in the world to you and everybody else in the chat. Mr. Chor says, Kip, I don't think CDC will list Mary this year. Sad. I was hoping for it too. Maybe next year, January, maybe. Yeah, I mean, and I had a feeling they would, but I had facts to believe it. I didn't have the fact to say it was going to happen. And that's kind of what I've been saying. And we'll talk more about that again because we got to keep people updated on that. I know we've been talking a lot about it, so we'll talk more about it. But Logan says, love the new look, man. Much needed buzz. I appreciate that, Logan. You know what? I love it. I love it. And you know what? I love it. I don't miss my hair at all. I was really scared to do this, but you know what? This is like, for those of you guys that don't know, I had a full-on head of hair, and maybe I shouldn't say full-on. I was thinning, and I was not happy with it, and I had to do it every day and try to hide the fact that it was thinning. Once I took the trimmer and buzzed, that's it. At the first hour, I was like, oh my gosh, do I like it? And now it's every day I wake up, I go, this was the best thing I ever did. This was the best thing I ever did. So, new year, new me. New cut, new portfolio. You know, we're getting into the altcoin season, guys. It's going to be a wild time. It's going to be a wild time. Happy New Year, Joel. Happy New Year, Coral, Production, and TDF Blast, and everybody out there. Big crypto and all y'all. Welcome. Did you subscribe, by the way? Did you subscribe yet? Pablo, maybe we could take a peek at that in a little bit. We got some news to get through to start this thing off. Bitcoin tumbling. We'll keep an eye on this one today. We'll keep an eye. I mean, obvious every day we'll keep an eye on Bitcoin, but total market cap is the thing that I keep looking at. I'm like a broken record about it. I know, but it's very, very important. Okay. It's very important. Let's see what we got here. Okay. The wife does like it, Crypto Keeper. She's just happy I'm happy. So thank you, Dr. Crypto. Appreciate it. So what we've got going on here is a $93,000 Bitcoin, as you saw, and a $3,300 ETH. ETH has been so stuck. It's been so right. It's just been there. It's just been there, and it's there, and it's been there, and that's where it's been. It's been at not 4K. It went to 4K for a second. And it's been below, it's in the 3,000s forever. We've got XRP at $2. I was, kind of begging people to like be cautious because it's coming back to $2. And if you paid attention, congratulations, you have awesome buying opportunities for XRP. Solana is stuck around $194. Dogecoin's doing great, especially when you look versus Bitcoin dominance. It's doing fantastic. You've got some of the big gainers today. This makes me chuckle. But you got Fartcoin number 2, and I can't believe I'm going to say this. You got I'm going to say it. You got Butthole Coin. I can't believe I said it, guys. What are we doing here? It's crazy. It's crazy. You've got Pepe. Okay, I can't believe I said. Yeah, that's a coin. Hi, Diana. If you're watching, I'm not making something up. That's a real coin. Okay. If you're still watching, look, you can see right here. Fart coin is at a $981 million market cap, and butthole coin is at 25 million. I don't know how high the beehole coin is going to go, but this is what a wild time. What a wild time. Pepe is getting a huge boost today. There's a reason why. We're going to talk about it. What else we got going on? Not a lot of movers today. Let's see what the pumper. Oh, these are the pumpers. Yeah, not a lot of crazy movers today. Alt right says shilling a. I don't own either of those coins. For the record, I don't own either of those coins. I'll tell you guys, and I had some chill guy. I mean, like, I'm still excited about chill guy. I don't have chill guy right now. I'm still excited about chill guy. I'm really transparent, guys. But I'm just thoroughly entertained, alt right, with some of this. So, yeah, I'm thoroughly entertained. How can you not be? It's a show. Grab the popcorn. 2025 is coming. So, wild. What's on the downside today? Phantom, movement and hype are down. No surprise there. They've been pumping and they're getting some retracements. Hedera is down to 26 cents. I've been telling guys you're probably going to get a good discount on H-bar coming down to 25 cents. So congratulations if you paid attention to my H-bar content. I've been putting out a lot more content on a lot of other things. I've been talking about Stacks, how it's a discount at $1. Been a discount at $1.50 lately. Stacks is actually holding pretty strong, I think, right now. Let's see. Is it one of the gainers today? It probably is floating. Let's see where Stacks is at. It's like rank number 50. 53, $1.54, stuck there. That's good support for Stacks, guys. That's really good support for Stacks. By the way, welcome to the Crypto Report, everybody. Right now, we got 95 folks of you guys watching on X. We've got 89 folks of you guys watching on YouTube. Go ahead and tap that like button. Give us a repost out there. We're not just talking about one coin here. We're talking about it all. And at the end, I'll do a little segment for the Crow fam because I love them. That's kind of one of the ecosystems I have talked about a lot. So let's get into some of the big news. First off, I want to remind you guys, even though you might be upset or fearful or whatever with, Bitcoin and crypto's been dead in December. December's been sad. Red December, I don't know what people are calling it. It's down 1.51%. Everything's great, guys. Everything's wonderful, okay? Everything's wonderful right now. And I just want everybody to remember. Do you remember? Oh, I can't do that. I was going to sing a song. I don't want a copyright strike. Man, see, that's tough. I probably would have got it. You know what I was going to sing, but I didn't sing it. Didn't sound that good. Maybe it was a blessing in disguise that I got scared to sing it. Here's what I want to remind you guys. This Bitcoin bubble index is pretty cool. Oh, Marty says, fearful. I've just been enjoying these prices. That's because you're a smart cookie, Marty. But not everybody's got the courage. Not everybody's got the guts. Let me tell you, Marty, not everybody's got the guts. But the people that have the guts are going to make the money in this bull market. You buy when others are fearful, and you take profit when others are greedy. So this is the Bitcoin bubble index. These are the greedy moments. This is your 2018 highs. There's your 2021 highs. Does it look like we've had a bull market yet? Does it look like we've had a parabolic blow off top yet? No. Yes, I know the price for Bitcoin's higher than it's ever been. I see that on this yellow line, but on the green line, what you're not seeing is the Bitcoin bubble index showing us that we're in really bubble territory. We are not in bubble territory. You look at the stock to flow model, we still haven't gotten all the way up this curve. We haven't gotten up to this plane up here that we're supposed to get to on the stock to flow model. If you look at the Bitcoin rainbow price chart, historically, we've always gotten into the yellow bands. We're barely just creeping into the second green band here. And I would argue that we were probably suppressed because of the pandemic in the last bull market, because of some other things that were going on. And now we've got mainstream crypto adoption. We've got global leaders, global powers talking about strategic Bitcoin reserves. We're probably going into the yellow, the orange, or maybe even one of these red bands up here, which means we could be seeing a $200,000 to $400,000 Bitcoin. I believe that we could see a $200,000 to $400,000 Bitcoin in this bull market. I wouldn't be surprised if we only went to 180. I'd be surprised if we only went to 120. That'd be ridiculous. That'd be silly. That'd be week. I don't think we're going to do that. I think it's going to be a lot bigger than that. And we've got a lot of people, and here's a good example. The boldest price predictions for 2025 are in, and most see prices doubling to $200,000. Some see it going higher. The highest call for Bitcoin is to surge to $250,000. That's not true. That's the prediction by Tom Lee. There are other people that have bigger predictions than that. I think $200,000 is a fair price for Bitcoin in this bull market. I'd like to see it go higher. But we have still a great opportunity to make a ton of money here, guys. Whether it's Bitcoin or something, you can get a 2x on Bitcoin if it goes to 200K. You can get probably still a 5 or a 10x on Solana, on Ethereum. I think you can get a 10x on Cardano. I think you can get a 10x on a lot of the top 10, 20 coins and the top 30 to 50 coins. I think you got a lot of 20x opportunities. And as you go down, you got a lot of 50x and 100x opportunities still. It's just what we're going into, guys. And again, you just look at the broader market cycles, and we've got a lot of time left. The biggest thing that I've been preaching is that bull markets, this bull market here and this bull market here, from the bottom to the top was 1,050 days. From the bottom of the top there was 1,050 days. From the bottom to the top, I think it's going to be right around 1,050 days. I think it's going to be anywhere from 900 days to 1,200 days. And it could be 800 days. But I'm targeting the 1,050 days. And if you're not taking profit and already a winner by 1,050 days, then I don't think you did this bull market right. So, I mean, the good news is there's a lot of people out there that are holding altcoins that haven't gotten the gains that they're looking for yet. I know that some of you guys have, which is awesome. Some of you guys haven't. The reality is that we still haven't had that moment that you're looking for. We still haven't had that opportunity for the masses to make all the money. The people that have been buying altcoins and just ignoring Bitcoin dominance and ignoring Bitcoin because they were chasing bigger gains, the moment for those people has not really happened yet. It has not truly happened. Crypto Keeper says, I am very wealthy in the crypto world, but flat broke right now in real life. Put more money in tokens. Well, we all know that life, because you believe in something and you're investing in it, but it's real money. It's there. You can sell it if you need to. Joel King says, I really don't like the fact that some of these coins with the dumbest names have such high market caps. I've intentionally avoided buying these coins because I think they're mockery. You know what? They are, but also that's a true meme. If you buy any memes, well, the ultimate meme is a meme that you kind of hate. And I get the meme ability of it. It's, to be able to, the point of it, and the reason why I'm not surprised that, Fart Coin and Beehole Coin are going so high is because it's quite possibly the funniest thing to tell your family at Thanksgiving. And yeah, then they will give them not an appetite for crypto. I get it. But it is quite possibly the funniest thing that you could possibly name a coin, I guess. And that's why it's going up, I guess. I don't know. It's wild. It is wild. I don't like it either. Okay. I don't like it, but it is funny. And so I do enjoy it from the humor perspective. You know what else is crazy, but not that crazy? We talked about this a lot. I've done a lot of Pepe videos, and so has Black Sea on our channel here. Why Elon Musk changes X name to Kekius Maximus. Did you guys see this? Did you read about this? Let's look at this really quickly. X, boom. Go over to the X platform. Go over to Elon the Musk of Tusks. Go over to him, and yeah, his profile picture is now Pepe. It's like a gladiator Pepe meme, and he changed his name to Kekius Maximus. There is right now a coin, by the way, that is trending. I didn't touch it. I'm not going to touch it. Called Kekius Maximus, that is surging up today. Of course, on this news. But more importantly, Pepe coin is getting a very big boost today, up a nice 12%. If you take a look at the Pepe coin chart, total market cap green again on the weekly candle. Take a look at the Pepe coin chart. Had a nice breakthrough of this level. Do not be surprised, my friends. You're hearing it here. I'm going to do a Pepe coin video later. Do not be surprised, my friends, if you see Pepe coin. Boop. Okay, my drawing tool is not working. That's a bummer. Don't be surprised, guys, if you see it bounce off this 4019 level again. Find support. It's good that we had a breakout. I don't expect it to absolutely continue exploding to the upside unless we see this total market cap bounce. And right now, Bitcoin is playing some games, possibly getting a bounce off this level, which is great. So just remember. Just remember. We got Bitcoin dominance playing games with you still. Playing games with you still. Adam says, meme coins with no utility moving and Crow is acting up. Shake my head. I hope regulation wipes out memes completely in 2025. Adam, I think it's time that we all just embrace the meme. And I'm not telling you to buy memes, and I'm not telling you to certainly buy those memes, but embracing the meme doesn't mean degenning into like a meme that you find funny just because you think it's fun. Embracing the memes mean like, don't ignore Pepe and Doge, right? I'm not telling you to buy those things, but like acknowledge that they're a thing, right? Acknowledge that, fart coin's real. You lose, right? You can't stop it, Adam. And I get it. I get it. But the sooner that you embrace the meme, I think the sooner you really start to understand the crypto space. Not to say to buy any of them, but just embrace them. Enjoy that people are having fun, and we're still having fun in crypto, okay? And I haven't touched any of these things. I've touched a lot of memes, but I haven't touched any of the the new ones that we had talked about earlier. Eventually, what's going to happen, Adam, is Bitcoin dominance is going to collapse, and there's going to be a lot more memes that are going to make you a lot more upset, and there's going to be a lot more memes that are going to make you maybe happy, and there's going to be a lot of altcoins that explode that maybe you didn't expect to, and there's going to be a lot of altcoins that explode that you certainly expected to, like Crow, like, Sui or whatever. That's all real. So just, here we are. Carpe diem. Carpe diem. Elon Musk has officially embraced Pepe, which is why it's blasting off today. But even when Elon Musk tweets, this is an Elon pump. These pumps tend to have these profit zones. So just be aware. You could be looking for a bullish retest off 4019. It could be good. It could be good. Adam says, no more need for Crow memes. I could get behind that one. Let me tell you, Adam, I could get behind that one. It's such a small ecosystem. There's so many memes. Like, let's get the ones that are out there. I'll get behind you on that one. But generally, like the big ones on the big networks, like there's a lot of money on those chains right now, and there's a lot of money to go around, and just be aware that it is a thing. It is a thing. So, what else have we got going on right now? Yeah, I mean, Pepe is getting pumped by Elon on that news, so that's pretty intriguing. We've got a lot of Bitcoin 200K price predictions. That shouldn't be surprising to anybody at this point. I've also got this video of Michael Saylor getting asked, have you met with the new president of the United States? And when he gets asked this question, he smiles. He can't help it. That's his reaction. She asked the question. That's his reaction. And then he says, I've met with them. Big smile on his face, but I can't tell you. I can't get into the details of it. And he says, I met with a lot of people in the upcoming administration, but I cannot comment further than that. So you've got the new president here in the USA meeting with Michael Saylor, probably for that National Strategic Reserve idea. And just continuing on the National Strategic Reserve idea, you've got a $1.5 trillion asset manager, Franklin Templeton, saying that we expect to see Bitcoin reserves added by several nations in 2025 because of this guy. Several nations, all the nations, all of them gonna do it. They're all gonna do it. I'm telling you. Absolutely incredible progress we made. Progress. He's going to make some progress, I think, with crypto. So that's going to be super fun to watch in 2025. This is the last day of 2024. 2024 was a great year. 2025, it's going to be even bigger. What if I told you that the historical Bitcoin prices are going to blow your mind? Look at all the historical Bitcoin prices on New Year's Eve, my friends. This year, it's 95K. Last year, it was 42K. The year before that, it was 16K. You could have bought a $16,000 Bitcoin 2 years ago. By the way, we were doing content when that happened. So, there you go. We were doing content. I got to tell you, let me tell you, we were doing all the content. And next year, we are probably going to see it. You know what? I think the bull market's going to end before next year. So, I mean, I don't know if it's going to be higher than this or what. I don't know. It's hard to say where it's going to be for the next 2025, but generally up, I think, tomorrow, next year. And then like when we end the year, I don't know if the price is going to be 95. It could be less. It could be less because I think a bull market's going to end before November. I think that's what I think. I could be wrong, guys. I've got the timeline again, that 1,050 day thing. I believe it. I believe the 1,050 day thing. I also want to remind you guys this, as you're sitting here like wondering, man, is it over? This is 2016 to the 2017 peak. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 30% crashes along the way. We are going to see that again. And then eventually we're going to see altcoin season, which is still struggling. Still got discounts. If Bitcoin season really takes off again, you're going to have still great accumulation zones for some of your altcoins. Let's take a look at some altcoins, guys. Let's take a look at some altcoins. Let's take some questions. Let's do a little Q&A. Let's do a little Q&A. All right. Matt Crafter, fresh cut. You're right. We're rocking the new bald is the new meta. All right. Bald coin. Yeah, there you go. Let's see. Okay, so Marty says my favorite content was keeping me positive at 4% CRO. Oh yeah. I bet, man. And look, you made good money if you bought around that 4 cent level. We got all the way up to 20 something cents. Good profit taking opportunities if you had the courage to, if you wanted to. How's it going, Croman? Matt says altcoins have had more discounts over the past few years than Costco. Yeah, well, that's how these bull markets work, Altcoins have some pumps, but the altcoin season doesn't happen until the altcoin season really happens. And we've been waiting for the altcoin season to happen. We've all been waiting for the altcoin season to happen. But in the meantime, like, you can't deny that, here you go, SWE from August to today, that's almost a 10x. Dogecoin to today, from August, again, that is at 10. It's no, it's not a 10x. Sorry, it's a nice 4x. Pepe let's go from just November. This is just from November. This isn't from the lows. Come on now. Chart. Okay, it's not perfect, but a nice, couple. If you had sold at the peak or whatever, you had a nice. Again, that's like almost 4x. 300% is a 4x. I'm still seeing Dogecoin bounce here, by the way, which is incredible. Let's do a little Q&A. What do you guys got going on today? Where are your heads at today? What are your thoughts, guys? How's everybody doing? Talk to me, folks. Time to become crypto billionaires in 2025, says Matt Crafter, and let's make it early 2025, please. Roberto CD says, new year, new look. Let's go. Absolutely. New year, new look. Let's go. Let's do the thing. I'm ready for it, guys. I'm ready for the new year. Croman says, I think you're seeing a lot of people selling for losses for tax purposes. Maybe why Bitcoin acting weird. Could be. Happy New Year, Stinky Monkey. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about CROcoin, I guess. We talked about Pepe. Let's go to CRO. Really holding on around these previous wicks. Wick here, wick here, wick here, wick here. Holding on, you know, but if this total market cap touches down here, Crow coin's coming back to 12 cents at least, I think. Bitcoin's still hanging out, trying to move back up. Resistance at 95, you know. Fitting crypto, says Kip, thoughts on my remarks. What were your remarks? I missed it. Can you say them again? I didn't see it. I didn't see it, brother. Can you say it again? Well, let's look over at our Kronos memes because, you know, let's look at it. Yes, there was an exchange listing, several exchange listings potentially that was supposed to happen for Mary on Kronos, and it did not. And the meme is down. The meme is down. Okay, guys. I still believe this is going to get listed. There was a community fund that was raised. There's like 300K in it still. And it's a percentage of the supply. It's 10 billion Mary tokens. It's going to be used for listing. I don't know when. Thought it was going to be this year. That was the expectation that was set. Didn't pan out that way, did it? Crow with knife holding on very nicely, very strongly around that $30 million level. This one has barely been stuck there, which is good. We're fine with it being there. It's been there since August of 2024. It's honestly, I mean, and like these are the levels that it tested down to back in April. I mean, this is it. This is it. And it's still up from its crypto.com listing. Ricky Ricardo Crypto says, you lost more hair than the entire crypto market. I feel that way, Ricky. That's why I shaved it. And it was the best decision ever, man. Let me tell you. Do you know how many times that I had to like get ready for a video and like, you know, do the thing and like try to fit? Got old real fast, man. It was one of the most stressful parts of making a video, to be honest with you. Look at the light coming in and then like I'll see it and I'm like, oh my gosh. Guess what? No more. No more, baby. Oh, he was saying I look handsome? Oh, wow. Okay. Well, I'll take it. Thank you. I will take it. Appreciate it. Crypto Keeper says, thank you for another year of great content. I have been watching your videos for the last 3 years and you never disappoint. Look forward to this year. I look forward to this year as well. And Crypto Keeper, much appreciated, brother. Thank you for supporting the channel. Hopefully you're making boatloads of money in this bull market. I think we can. I think we will. It's already been pretty good, guys. But we've got a lot of excitement left. Okay. 144 you guys watching on X and 170 you guys watching on YouTube. Do me a favor, smash a like. Jamie G says, I look like Zach now. You know what? I gotta talk to Zach. I'll have a full goatee. I'll do more. I'm gonna do a different facial. I can't like twinsies with him. It's too much. But he's a sharp guy. He's a sharp looking guy. I like Zach a lot. So it's so funny. Jamie, I was thinking about that too, Jamie, I was thinking about that too. I was like, I can't. So I'll either be clean shaven and cue bald or I would rock the buzz, but you know, the buzz is it's okay. This is really short. I actually really like it this short. I'll tell you. Thanks for the welcome, BSS. So what else should we take a peek at, guys? What else should we take a peek at right now? Dogecoin's really hanging on here. Sweet. Let's look at some TAs for T. So Jose Estrada says, what are my thoughts on Crow with Knife? Solid meme. I've had my differences with the leadership in that community. Who cares? Drama's stupid. It's a strong meme. It's a strong meme. They've got the first listing from community memes on Kronos, and that's fantastic. And I think that Mary's going to get one eventually. I think those are the two top memes on Kronos. And I think there's going to be some others that pop up. It's too early to say. I've got some ideas of what some of the others are. We've kind of hinted at it, but I feel good about, I mean, altcoin season, Kronos is going to pump. Kronos memes are going to pump. Bitcoin is going to pump. Bitcoin dominance is going to fall. Pepe is going to, they're all going to pump. So appreciate you, Jamie. Appreciate you, Jamie. You're saying that the bald thing's hard to maintain? You know what? Not as hard as hiding, receding hair. I'll tell you that. I enjoy. It's almost. It's nice, there's no product. It's going to be nice and easy. I have not done like the full bald yet, but I will try it. And yeah, I might try it and do like, I don't know, I saw there's different things. I don't know if I want to take like the razor, but we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out, Jamie. If you got some ideas, DM me. But right now I just got, one of those buzzers and I just buzzed it, which does take a lot of time. No. Not going to take the president's haircut, that's for sure. What a signature look, though. Irish says, Crypto Kip's in his Bezos era. Yeah, my brother-in-law said I kind of looked like Joe Rogan. I was like, oh my gosh. I gotta like bulk up. I gotta bulk up and gotta get more like wrinkles in my forehead. Pepe is pumping hard, Jose. Yeah, Elon Musk did something big with that and made it his profile picture. Andrew Tate. Yeah, I can't grow a beard like that guy. I want to look at SWE a little bit more. I'm not surprised to see it's kind of holding up here. It's really strong, guys. Man, it's just really strong. SWE is going to be a really big mover in this bull market. Really big bull market in this bull market. Matt Crafter says Elon will call his next kid Pepe, then it's full send. Oh my gosh, he might. He could potentially. You never know. You never know with that guy. But no, I actually, you're saying, Jamie G says, got to get jacked. I did start like a whole vitamin regimen. So I've done that. That's been good. I've enjoyed that. I'm gonna try to do a whole New Year thing. So we'll see. You'll see. Perhaps I'll show like before and after results too, because I'm a little dad bot-ish right now, but I want to do like a whole revamp, right? Life's getting better, work's doing well, the YouTube channel's doing well, so we're making more money. But what's the point of wealth and making money in crypto without health? So we got to keep the health going. I think there's an unlock for SWE tomorrow. Yeah, and that hasn't really been tremendous selling events, surprisingly. I thought it would be more of a big selling event for SWE, those unlocks, but they haven't been. Token unlocks, it's when more of the supply gets released, basically, guys. My understanding of it, and or no. It's where people can basically, well, are the tokens getting released? I know that people can end up selling. That's it. It brings selling pressure. It's the people that were early stage investors in it. But some people don't like that it has that going on. Some people don't like that that's going on for SWE. Oh, we got a new member on the stream? Somebody became a member. I missed it. Who became a member? Shout out to you, new member. If you guys want to become members on our channel, you can sign up down below. And if you want to trade some of the volatility, like if you agree with me and you think Pepe is coming back down to support here and you want to make a short play on it, well, guys, I got an exchange that's really nice to use. I've enjoyed it. It's called Blowfin. You can sign up. If you haven't done it, there's a $5,000 deposit bonus, up to a $5,000 deposit bonus when you do sign up. And you could trade all your favorite coins here. Pepe, Sheep, Doge, Crow, whatever it is. There's Pepe. You know, you could trade Crow. You could trade it all. So check it out if you want to. And they got 10% discounts on trading fees. And honestly, guys, I will just use Blowfin sometimes to do quick transactions, you know, instead of using some more expensive exchanges out there. Some exchanges are a little overpriced sometimes. So there you go. Fitting Crypto says Crowcoin will do I think it'll do a 10, 20x. It could do more. I think it's going to go to $2 to $5. You know, nothing's really changed about that for me. So I'm looking forward to that at some point in this bull market. Getting ready for some of that action. Can I do a real recap on my prediction? Well, yeah, I mean, basically for Crow, it's just really simple. We're not in altcoin season yet, you know? I mean, and it's all really simple, guys. And I'll measure it out one more time because we just have somebody ask me in the chat. But this is what, I don't know how many times I'll measure it out, but I do it just about once a video. And that's fine, you know? And some people are like, well, you're doing the same thing. What? This is the facts of the facts. I want to remind you guys what the facts, because like the reality is sometimes you forget what the facts are. And you get shaken out of the market, or you change your mind with fear or something on price. From the bottom to the top 1,050 days, right? That's from your 2018 lows to your 2021 highs. From the bottom, and this is our Bitcoin price. From the bottom to the top, it's 1,064. It's 1,050 days, right about. And so far, we are only currently, 791 days into this. We got 240 days left, really, like something like that. So, what does that mean for Crow? It means Crow's got a lot more upside. It means that Crow shouldn't have hit its new all-time high yet, because not a lot of altcoin projects have yet. You've also got all the new bullish catalysts for Crow. You've got crypto.com, including hashtag Crow in his profile. You've got him talking about the Kronos ETF. You've got him supporting the Kronos chain. I think he's going to list some of the memes at some point in 2024. So, it's pretty good. Having Peck says $2 to change my life. Tennessee Ecoman says the unlock suite is going to institutional investors, so they might not dump. Well, maybe they will, maybe they won't. But I'm not really worried about it, regardless of the token unlocks. That's like FUD for Sui. Sui's going to do great, I think. Jose Estrada says, do I think Pepe will break its all-time high? My personal opinion, 100%. That's my personal opinion. I am 100% confident that it's going to happen. I could be wrong. So let's say 99%. Does that mean that it's going to happen? No, that's my personal opinion. You got to do your own research. You got to choose your own choices there. You got to have your own decisions in this market. But Jose, I have extreme confidence that Pepe coin is going to break its previous high. Not today, but eventually in this bull market, when our total market cap has the bounce and starts moving towards 10 trillion. People need to understand market caps. If $10 trillion is really pouring into this market, then we are going to see a lot of pumps on a lot of coins. Checkmate 007 007 says, what's with the cut? That's it, man. New year, new me. Sabrina says, I'm sorry if this question was already asked. What do you think? The high of Crow CRO, $2 to $5. I can't give you a price. I could tell you why I believe that, but I think it's going to be high. And the reason, one of the simple ones is this, You look at what the main competitor to Crow is, and the answer is Binance. And, maybe it's not fair to compare Crypto.com to Binance, but I'll tell you that Binance has 30-something% of the market share for centralized exchanges. Crow has now 11%. It's ranked number 2 to Binance in terms of market share. If Crow was to achieve the current market cap of the Binance token, $3.78. If it was to achieve the previous all-time high, that's $4 Crow. I'm going to say that half of that is achievable. Crow is going to be able to achieve at least half that in this bull market. That's a $2 Crow. $2 to $5. 5 is my absolute most bullish target, and 2 is like something that I expect to see. I could be wrong. Mary price prediction for 2025. Look, if it gets this crypto.com listing, I think that Crow with Knife and Mary could both surpass $200 million in market cap and maybe even higher. I mean, we saw Corgi AI do it. We saw Agent Fun do something crazy. We saw Cappy Bar do something crazy. You never know what's going to happen, guys. Now, those are really risky. You never know. So be careful. Checkmate 007 says, do you think Alex Labs can make a comeback? I do think that it will when the bull market really launches, when Stacks explodes. However, at this point, I like Veller more, to be honest with you, Checkmate. How's it going, James? How you doing? Checkmate says, love it. Grow the beard and it would look bad. Yeah, good. I don't like saying, I don't like saying cuss words. But yeah, it'd look better with a beard. I'm working on the beard. I'm going to try to grow the beard. I'm actually going to try to do, I'm going to try to do a lot. I'm going to try to grow my hair back. I'm going to try to do micro needling and minoxidil. And I'm even going to do some minoxidil on my face. I'm really getting into it. I'm just sharing you guys exactly what the facts are behind it. You know what? I think it's an interesting journey. It's probably an interesting journey for you guys to watch. Like, I had a lot of hair. But I figured there's probably a lot of you guys out there that are losing hair too. And so I feel like it's a really relatable thing. So I'm cool to talk about it. I am not a self-conscious guy, generally speaking. I was self-conscious about, the thinning and having hair that was thinning, admittedly. But generally, I'm got a pretty high degree of confidence in general. So I'm cool to talk about it candidly. I'm cool to talk about it all candidly. I think it's a very human journey. Adam says, Kip, if Crow doesn't reach previous all-time high, will you consider your position? Consider my position? Well, I mean, I'd consider it a bad play. You know what I mean? Brian gets it. Brian just I haven't even seen you comment. Brian chimed in. He says, it is relatable, Kip. Good. Yeah. James says, I've been losing my hair for 20 years. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. You know what? Good. I'm glad, Brian. Good to hear from you, man. Thanks for chiming in. Kip, if Crow doesn't reach previous all-time high, would you consider your position? Look, I'm always willing to be wrong. I'm always willing to change my opinion. Absolutely. Absolutely, I'm willing to change my opinion. I've got evidence. I've got facts that lead me to a belief. But beliefs are beliefs. Based on my research, based on what I'm seeing. We've had some really nice beliefs, though, let me tell you. That's hilarious, man. Minoxidil for beard works. I've tried it. Very cool. Very cool. I'll try it out. Solid Snake, how's it going? Good to see you, man. We do need a mirror listing. That'd be great. Welsh is super cheap. Welsh is super cheap, man. Welsh is super cheap, man. You're right. Let's take a closer look at BTC. Let's go down to the 15-minute candles for Bitcoin. Yeah, revisiting these lows down here, so we'll see. Man, I feel like 85K is coming. I mean, I don't know. As soon as we kind of really came out, if I zoom out, as soon as we really came out of these blue channel that I had, like I was like, man, rejection here. Looking at 85K. It's just so amazing though that Dogecoin's holding up so strong right now. Adam says, how do I feel about Caspa? I was more bullish on Caspa before, to be honest with you. But I am still bullish on it. I think in the altcoin season, it's still going to explode. I'm still bullish on it. I'm more bullish on SWE. SWE is kind of doing what I thought Caspa would do in terms of like the hype. But the SWE, I downloaded the SWE wallet. The SWE network and wallet it's very Solana-like. It's nice. It's very nice. What do I know about BVM? What is that? Are you talking about the Bitcoin virtual machine? Is that what you're saying? I bet you that's what you're saying. I don't know a lot about it. to be honest with you. James has been mining Caspa for 6 months. Very cool. Very cool. Yeah, I don't know much about it, Jamie G. Perhaps I should look into it. Perhaps I should look into it more. Any thoughts on Turbo? It's a coin that I know a lot of people talk. It's going to get a pump in 2025 at some point. I don't have any big thoughts on it, though. Thoughts on Phantom? Again, that's a popular coin. It's going to get a pump, but I don't have a lot of big thoughts. It's a real project. You know, it's got real utility, unlike a Turbo. But, you know, sometimes the memes, sometimes the utility projects don't get as much of a pump as the memes. So this is crypto, guys. Oh, is that a coin, Jamie? Is Bitcoin Virtual Machine a coin? Oh, wow. I didn't know that. Thought it was like, I'd have to look into this. Very low market cap. You never know. Is it on the L1 side, sir? Is it on the L1 side of things? The L2, do you know? I do hold my bag of Mary still. Yep. Yes, sir. Heaven Peck says, is there a chance Chris has news for us on the 1st? His time, which is late night. Yeah, maybe. I mean, I'm sure he'll put out a tweet. Happy New Year. But, you know, I wouldn't be expecting something like, and we're going to burn all the Crow coins. I would be super cool. What an incredible way to start the year it would be. But it's to build on BTC. So layer 1 or layer 2. I wonder. I'd have to look into it, Jamie. All right, guys, I've been live for an hour. I actually got some more work to do, and I got to get ready. We are doing a little New Year's party tonight. Successfully got my daughter down for a nap before this. Had him on a fussy little girl. L1. I'll check it out, Jamie. Interesting. Hey, Francis, guitars by Ken Francis. Did you sell guitars, Francis? You sell guitars? DM me about that. I'm curious. DM me about that. If you do. On X. Finally caught you live. Glad you caught me. Sonny, Crow to $3, he says. I hope so. That'd be great. Smash a like, guys. Did you subscribe to the channel? Do you want to trade? Did you sign up for Blowfin yet? If not, check it out. I like Blowfin. It's a cool place to trade. $5,000 deposit bonus, up to $5,000 deposit bonus when you sign up. Happy New Year, everybody. Yeah, I almost forgot to say it. Happy New Year, everybody. May 2025 bring you health, wealth, happiness, love, hair if you want it. I don't even care about it. You know, guys, may you have a wonderful 2025. We are now at 40,000 subscribers. To each and every single one of you guys out there, thank you for subscribing to our channel. Thank you for supporting this journey. I hope you're making a lot of money. From the bottom of my heart and Black C's heart, Mrs. Crypto Kip and baby Crypto Kip, we love you. We appreciate you. We feel blessed. And you're blessed. You are blessed to have the opportunity to be alive, to participate in these crypto markets, and to have the internet so you can do the due diligence that you need to do so you can come out of this thing alive. And even if you don't, guys, there's always going to be more opportunities in this life. Crypto is a big deal for me, but it is not the end-all be-all. Health, happiness, family, that's where it's at. Crypto's fun. You can change your life with it. I think we're going to. I think some of you guys already have. We certainly have. But I believe in you and in your success in 2025, guys. That's all I have. I am Crypto Kip. It's going to be huge. Let me tell you, it's going to be big, beautiful, tremendous. A year like no other. Smash the like. Subscribe. See you next time, folks. Peace.